Hello, first grade parents and students. This is Miss Martin, and I'm here to give you your assignments for day 10 and explain your packet a little bit more. So the first thing that you need to do for reading is you need to pick out a book, and you can either use a book that you already have at your house, or you could use Unite for Literacy or Pebble Go. While you're reading, you should pick out one tricky word. A tricky word means a hard word, something that you might not know the meaning of. Once you pick out the tricky word, you should write that word down, and then you should also write out how you figured out what the word meant. After finishing that for reading, you can move on to writing. For writing, you need to write a letter to your teacher. You should tell your teacher 3 things that you have done this week. After reading and writing, you can move on to math. You should choose at least one math game, and you can pick any of the math games to play with a partner. You should write down the name that you chose of the game. Then you need to solve the following problem on paper and explain your thinking with pictures, numbers, and words. So the problem is, Pat has 19 fish in her tank. Some of them are orange and some of them are blue. How many fish could be orange? How many fish could be blue? So you need to figure out the different combinations of orange and blue to make them go together. After finishing the problem, you need to visit Dreambox, and you should play for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You should write down the games that you played. For science, you then should label and draw each part of the plant. So that includes your roots, your stem, your leaves, and your flower. So I'm going to show you an example of a plant. So if you can see this, it has the flower, the leaves, the roots, and the stem. So you need to draw a picture and you need to label all of those parts. And then you should explain to your parent what each part does. I hope you guys are having a great day. Keep up the hard work.